I'm the Sweep-All AR1748. Today I've got a big lawn to win over. Hitch me up. My adjustable tow behind hitch up smoothly. I pack 275 pounds of pure muscle, and with up to 475 more on my back, I can handle a total of 750 pounds of power and tap my electric toggle. I drop in like a pro. Hear that soft thup, thup, thup. That's my 3/4 inch side-eject coring tines, pulling clean plugs up to 4 inches so air, water, and nutrients finally reach the roots. I glide on flat, free turf tires, pivot easy with 2 separate tine sections, and cover ground fast. 42.5 inches aerating width, 63 inches overall. I'm 10 and 12 gauge steel tough, but gentle on turf. You'll see the difference. Lighter soil, fewer puddles, stronger roots. Thatch backing off, a nod, a grin. This is it. Yeah, it is. I'm the AR1748. I make big lawns breathe and big lawn owners happy.
Nice.